This might seem too good, but here's $420 by using ChatGPT in less than an hour. In this free tutorial, I'll show you a simple 4-step formula to make money online using ChatGPT, a powerful tool that millions are using to make money online right now. Most people that aren't hip don't know that they can actually make money online using ChatGPT. And after years of experience in this space, I'll break down how you can do so also. Step number 1 is mastering the art of prompting. If you want to use ChatGPT to its full potential, you need to learn how to prompt, because the reality is this: AI is amazing, but it is lazy. If you ask it for a quick and easy meal, it'll probably still tell you something that takes an hour to make. But if you ask it, what's a quick and easy meal with under 5 ingredients that I can make, that I can have ready in less than 10 minutes, you get a whole nother set of answers. What I'm showing you is probably the most important part of what we're doing. This is a prompt guide, and this is just an example of what I'm talking about, right? So bad prompt, tell me about electric cars. Good prompt, what are some breakthroughs in electric car technology in the last 2 years? Historical analysis, tell me about history. This one tells you a specific one again. Business insights, how do I increase sales? What are some proven market entry strategies for a new tech product in a competitive market? All these things kind of highlight what I'm saying. So you want to always be clear in specifics, provide context, use complete sentences, start with the instructions, experiment, right? You're not going to always get it right every time. Use previous answers, limit the response length. I mean, I do this even every day when it comes to scripting videos. Clearly state your instructions, verify and fact check, and review and refine. Another cheat sheet I like to use is the act as prompting. All right, so you see here, act as a CEO, inventor, analyst, and create a recipe and show it my favorite in bullet points, analogy, rich text, summary, you name it. So another piece of advice for me is intended to refine and enhance the things I already do. And you should take that same mindset. So you can come and say, act as an experienced affiliate marketer and give me expert analysis as to how I can make more money doing so. And then it'll give me that list. If you're a chef, you can ask it, act as a gourmet chef, give me ideas and give me recipes on how to make a gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free pasta salad. You can use this for social media ideas. I mean, anything you do, once again, it's gonna start and end with the way you script. Step 2, choose a profitable niche. Now, mostly I suggest people use ChatGPT to enhance things they already do, but there's a large percentage of us that are watching who don't already do something, and that's okay too. Whatever it is, you need to find something and hyper focus in on that. In the long run, it can help with it, but in the beginning, trying to use ChatGPT to focus on too many areas can dilute focus, and take it from me. See, what choosing a niche does is it allows you to build focus, build expertise, also increase efficiency, and you offer more value in that space. So if you need help, the places where ChatGPT offers the most value is content creation, right? That's blog writing, copywriting, social media management. Now, in today's age and time, I'm gonna keep it real, bro. It's not a lot of people that have blogs or use blogs, but what has replaced blogs is Twitter or X. So you can tell ChatGPT, write out some engaging tweet threads for me for the month. It also specializes in FAQ generation, response templates, chatbots, e-commerce, of course, like I just said, product descriptions, reviews, SEO optimization. You can tell ChatGPT, hey, on my webpage, let's say you sell hair, right? You sell hair and you want to show up on Google without having to pay to play with Google. You can tell it, write my descriptions, write my product names and descriptions in an SEO rich way to increase product searchability, SEO searchability. Now, one of my main hacks let's say you still lost, right? And you still don't know exactly what it is you should choose. Here's a hack that I always do just to see if there's anywhere I can use this to make me some money, right? So like I said, writing and translation, blog posts. My man is making $50 a project, $100 a project, and let's see what they offer. Ultimately, I will write SEO blogs and articles for your business that convert. That's pretty plain and simple. And we just talked about SEO. So you can make ChatGPT do everything that this guy does. And if it were me, honestly, I would literally copy and paste his whole service and tell ChatGPT to do it just like that. Once again, digital marketing, SEO services, business plan, right? You can tell GPT to write you up a business plan, a detailed business plan for anything you want to do. Pitch decks, whatever. This guy is getting $400 a project. So trust me, the money is out there. Do me a favor, in the comments, let me know exactly what it is you want to do, and we can talk, and I'll let you know right in the comments how you can spin this to make it work for you. Step 3, develop a scalable service. Now what that means is this. Another beauty of ChatGPT is that you don't necessarily want to get caught in the race of trading your time for money, right? Trading your time for service. So templates and packages, right? Offer templated content, right? That's email sequences, templated content, social media post templates, and things that can be used across clients. And that's only if you're taking the route I just told you about. If you're implementing this into your workflow, then that's even better. If you're super tech savvy, if you know your way around things, then you can even set up ChatGPT to set up automation workflows and several integrations for repetitive tasks, right? So like a lot of people, if you have a business already and you have a Facebook page connected to that business, Facebook now allows you to kind of preset responses. So this used to take a long time, and that's why a lot of people's are so basic, because they only have a couple responses set. But with ChatGPT, you can lay out so many different scenarios and so many different answers to different questions. And what that does in turn is that actually makes your page more viewable, because Facebook does value that response time. One of the most valuable business tips I've ever gotten was from a 24-year-old that's probably making about 80 to 100,000 a month. And what he told me was pretty much, if you can clone yourself through any means, whether that's training somebody under you, using automated systems, that's when you can really start to make some money. Because the reality is we're only one person. Even doing what I do, I'm one person. So if you can use ChatGPT in any way that you can to kind of duplicate yourself, clone yourself, make yourself more available, then hey, you win. The next step, continuously improve and market yourself. Continuous improvement is key, right? So one thing about it is that since I first started using ChatGPT, it has come a long way. They've actually released 2 more advanced versions. So think of it like this, right? The iPhone, when the iPhone came out, it was still groundbreaking and innovative for its time, but the iPhone 1 still had the old version of the touch screen. There was a lot of things that we can do now that were just not possible back then. So think of ChatGPT like that. We're still on, maybe metaphorically speaking, the iPhone 2. So it's constantly evolving, and so should you and your use of it. Stay updated on the new features, and the techniques can give you the edge over most people. So like ChatGPT has created careers for people, right? I know you can get a lot of money as a developer, and it's been teaching me code like crazy. Now also, you always want to experiment with new tools. There's constantly going to be new things that are compatible with GPT. There's always going to be new things that are compatible with ChatGPT. But you also want to take a look at the custom GPTs, right? These are GPT that are tailored to us, hyper focused to a specific thing. So even a GPT like the Negotiator, right? Here it asks you like, hey, could you role play a salary negotiation with me? Let's jump into that. So in this example, I want to make 100K. I'm a janitor, and it's asking all these questions. It's going to help me role play this situation. Hi there. Thanks for following up. We're excited about the possibility of you joining our team and believe you'd be a great fit. As we mentioned, the starting salary is 30K. Is there anything you'd like to discuss? Your turn. Try expressing enthusiasm about the role, followed by making a case why you're seeking a higher salary. So they pretty much responded with that. But what it tells you is highlight specific skills or experience, explore career growth opportunities, navigate other benefits. And see, that alone would help. And that alone even helps, because while it ain't realistic to get 100K as a janitor, it helps you understand how you would negotiate that. Law and legal, it don't matter what profession you in, it can help. Now, the best way for you to market yourself is gonna be on social media. And like I said, the best way, honestly, Twitter, bro. Twitter, just because it is a writing platform, ChatGPT can even help you with that. Facebook as well. Also, offer, if you're going to take the Fiverr route or any route or anything like Fiverr, offer free samples, right? Because you're going to be using AI, it ain't going to take much for you to do it. Offer free samples, offer to do this stuff for free for people, no matter what the service you're doing. And a lot of the time you can create and convert those people into sales. Ultimately, this is a self-improvement tool, and you should look at it like that. So as far as the steps, you need to master the art of prompting, choose something profitable, choose something that you can make money from, and niche it down. Develop something that's scalable. Make sure you're not trading your time for money, and always continuously improve and market yourself. ChatGPT is making people millions right now, and you can get in on it too. The real value comes from using it strategically and constantly improving. If you found this video helpful, I need you to like, comment, and subscribe, and share your own ideas in the comments, man. If you done made some money on ChatGPT, let the rest of us know, man. Gang, love y'all. Out.